In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F15 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display. Then select Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and click on one of those fonts right away. So when I do that and go back, I can see that style of my text has changed. If you want to try something more interesting, click on Download Fonts and tap on one of those icons next to one of the available ones, like Gorgeous. When your new style is ready, go back to the same settings and click on it to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!